Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Motola Olowo Shibi, and today we'll be making plantain pizza or dodo pizza. Anyhow you may want to love or call it, or you can also name it plantain and egg frittata. Yes, that is what we're making today. Just take a look at a bite of this yummy delicacy, so inviting and full of nourishment. These are all ingredients prepped already. Our plantain is already prepped. You have to cut it at least 1.5 or 2 inches in height so it won't sink into your sauce. And this is chicken or pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. I am cutting it in 2 different shapes, chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Then we have our eggs and salt, then seasoning to taste. Now break the amount of egg you'll be wishing to use. Then you whisk like so. You whisk till it looks a little bit lighter, just like this. Add some amount of salt into it and also whisk to blend it together. Now we'll be moving to the cooker. You add some amount of oil into your frying pan. It will be cool if you use non-sticky pan. You can also use lesser oil or butter, anyone you wish or you prefer. Then we'll be frying our chicken breast. You can also use any boneless chicken or turkey. You can use sausage, you can use fish. Just do this in your own or to your own taste. I'm adding an half cube of seasoning cube. So you also stir fry it and make sure it's combined. I'm adding some pinch of salt. Also stir fry and continue to stir fry till you are sure that the meat or whatsoever stock you are using is well cooked and fried. Also, I added half teaspoon of curry, added half teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme powder also. Then you continue to stir fry to make sure that they all combine. This meat has been frying for 3 minutes plus. So you'll be adding your onions into the pan and also stir fry to make sure you are getting all spices fried and nicely cooked. Now you can add other peppers. Firstly, we'll be adding the red pepper, which is your alligator pepper, DODO. Then you'll be adding the chopped tomatoes. You also stir fry them and allow to cook together. I hope you are enjoying this. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel or you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are so welcome. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comment down there at the comment section, and also do well to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. A big shout out to all my subscribers. Now I'm adding some strips of green bell pepper. So I added the remaining half cube of seasoning cube into the sauce. Then you continue to stir fry. Now at this point, you also can add little salt to make sure that it is enough. Then you continue to stir fry for few seconds. Then you can turn off your cooker. Why am I turning off the cooker? Is for it to stop the cooking process, because this sauce is very hot, and immediately you put your egg into it, it might start cooking instantly, and we don't want that. We want it to cook at the lowest heat level. So I'm trying to make sure after turning off the heat, then you pour in your whisk egg. Then you can also make sure that they all combine before you start arranging in the fried plantain. Now I'm doing that. Like I showed you at the onset of this video, you can decide to make your plantain very brown. You can decide to make it more lighter, depending on how you want it. It's to your choice. Yeah, all the plantain are fully covered. So now all the egg is fully covered with plantain. So I'm adding the other veggies, which is the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper, to design it just to look like that pizza, style. So you can also cover with the cover of the frying pan, or you can use a foil as so. This will help it to the heat to be able to circulate. Now I'm covering it with the two. I'm using a foil, and I'm also covering it with a cover of the frying pan. Don't forget, you are cooking it in the lowest heat level, and you cook it for 15 minutes. Immediately you see the sides of the egg, everything is brown, like it's separated from the frying pan, then your dish is ready. Now it's time to turn it into a plate. Wow, this is a yummy recipe full of vegetables, protein, and this is just so delicious. I can't wait to take a bite right now. Like, I automatically consume this within a less than this is awesome. Actually, you need to give this a try, and you will surely enjoy it. Thank you all for watching today's video. I believe you've learned one or two things. I believe you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give me my big massive thumbs up. Yes, I need that thumbs up. It's a source of encouragement. And also don't forget to share this video out. If you are privileged to share this video out, share it to your friends, share it to the family, share it to people that they're gonna be loving it. This is just a bite from this plantain pizza. I prefer to call it pizza. It's just so yummy. Like, everything is consumed without no remnants. This is really yummy. So see me in my next video. Bye for now.